This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Tuesday, August 31st. Stock index futures advancing in the overnight trade with the S&P and the NASDAQ making some new record highs before some profit taking set in. We did have two reports here in the U.S. coming in on the weak side. We had the Chicago PMI weaker. We had the consumer confidence number quite a bit less than expected. So some pressure in the indices on that. But keep in mind that stock index futures in recent months have shown a tendency to recover after bearish news. I think that will be the case again this time. So look for a move back to higher on the day from these current lower levels in the stock index futures. And in the currencies, the dollar index coming under some pressure on Friday after Fed Chair Powell in his Jackson Hole comments had a rather dovish statement to make, and that has affected a lot of the financial markets, including the dollar adversely. And in the interest rate futures markets, we are seeing the long end of the curve, the 30-year Treasury bonds advancing, this with those two economic reports coming in weaker. But it's not just those two. There has been a tendency in recent weeks for most economic reports globally and here in the U.S. to be a bit on the softer side. And I think that is a trend that will probably continue. And of course, that would be an underlying bullish factor for the long end of the curve futures. So from here, look for higher prices in the 30-year Treasury bond futures with what we're seeing. And this is probably a trend that I think will last for several weeks, possibly even several months. So good trading, everyone. And once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.